As the controversy at Petrojam continues, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is again calling for patience from the public as the investigations continue. Speaking at an NHT groundbreaking ceremony in Windsor, St. James on Thursday, Mr. Holness tried to explain why the public should not be quick to jump to judgment. We have more in this report.
Dr. Andrew Wheatley has been relieved of the energy portfolio. Petrojam's general manager has stepped down and other managers are under scrutiny as controversy continues to plague the state-owned oil refinery. But Prime Minister Andrew Holness is sticking to his position that a thorough investigation must be completed before further actions are taken. He insists that a system of accountability is in place where ministers hold entity boards accountable, the board holds managers accountable, and managers hold staff members to account.
But that is all in theory. We try as best as we can to ensure that it actually works that way. But there are several things that can go wrong and have gone wrong in the management of public bodies and public administration.
In relation to Petrojam, Mr. Holness reiterated a previous position that persons with nefarious intent are trying to shape public opinion with incorrect information. That's why he says an independent investigation is essential.
And there are those independent investigative bodies now that are doing their jobs. And I want the public to be patient with them and to pay attention to what they say. So it's one thing to come with the haystack of allegations. We need the independent authorities to find the needles. And so we have to just be patient.
Petrojam investigations aside, Mr. Holness says measures are being put in place to prevent future breakdowns across all ministries. He says all members of his cabinet will be given training in good governance practices.
The government that I lead is cognizant of this. And I have made sure as Prime Minister that this discussion about the effectiveness of ministerial oversight, that discussion is had. And we will ensure and redouble our efforts to ensure that all public agencies under our charge, that they are working efficiently and effectively towards the public good.
Herman Green, TVJ News.